Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2018 Ford Mustang Roush edition. It's a Phase 1 Roush. It's got about 700 horsepower or so. It's got a TVS R2650 Supercharger. 700 horse, 610 pounds of torque. Also has a performance package, gives you the Brembo brakes, line lock, and all the other goodies associated with this car. It's like new, a little over 13,000 miles. I also had a California special myself with a Supercharger. That car had about 700 horse. I prefer the automatic. This 5.0 Coyote motor revs so fast, you barely have room to shift it. So the automatic is nice. Car really speaks for itself. Fire it up for you. $13,260 miles. One owner, purchased locally. The original owner's manuals and all the documentation. I'll show you. They're super fun cars. So here's all the original receipts and stuff. Here's the badging. I like to put that on or not. Kind of gives it a sleeper look without it. Here's the details on the Supercharger system in Phase 1. A whole array of great stuff. And then documentation from Roush. The front license plate cover, never been put on. This car is beautiful. Collector owned. I don't think it's ever been in the rain. There she is. Heart of the beast. Brand new. Hands down, one of my favorite cars. Great bang for the buck. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. I shot a ton of pictures today also. It's on my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.